Yes.
You know I'm here, yeah. So this is the end of 2022, and guys, I want to honestly tell you guys that it's been a long journey. I would say it's now, I think, 16 months since I started trading, since I placed my first trade on a demo account, and I'm really grateful for everything. Yeah, grateful for everything. So I hope you guys had a great journey in 2022, and 2023 is going to be awesome. I think that's the year whereby I'm going to be blowing up. That's the year whereby I'm going to be doing great stuff. And I'm not talking this because you're in the internet or something, but that's how I feel. So this is the first time I'm showing my face, right? This is the first time I'm actually talking to you guys, talking to my audience. And the reason as to why I'm doing that is because I want to connect with you guys on the different level. And 2023, I promise you guys, I'm going to be bringing fire. I'm bringing fire to you guys, yeah. I'm bringing the best content out there because I've really I've spent 8-hour days digging deep into this craft, and I've really mastered most of the things. They say even masters continue learning. I still keep on learning each and every day, but I can really say that I've mastered this. Yeah. So come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Come. So we're out here, me and with my family. It's Christmas Day, but I thought that I should bring out this message, right? So I think by 10th of January, that's when I'll start giving you guys my new content. And I had questions. Some people were asking me, many of you guys were asking me, do you have signals or something? And I told them, yeah, I'll be providing signals, but let me first hit the 1,000 subscribers goal yet. Then that's when I'll start giving out signals. Yeah. Then the thing about courses, selling courses and that stuff, I don't believe in courses, guys. There are millions of courses out there. Yeah. And most of the things you learn in those courses are out here free on YouTube. Yeah. So I promise you guys, I'm going to be bringing a different vibe to this whole forex industry, to the trading industry. Even guys studying crypto, you can still use the same concepts that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Yeah, I've also bought courses, many courses. Yeah, I bought like 5 courses, and it all boils down to one thing. As long as it doesn't matter what strategy, whether you're using, I want to mention names, but you know your mentors, you know everyone. So it doesn't really matter that much. But I'll be digging deep down into that, showing you guys the right way to trade, why you should be trading, when you should be trading. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for me. But I hope you guys have a nice year, end the year properly, because family is important, guys. Yeah, end it properly with your family, resolve the issues that you have with them. Yeah, because man, you never know when you're going, right? I may be recording this video here, and then the next minute I may never upload this video here. That's how life is, man. That's like the the brutal nature of life, man. It can end at any time. So you should really have these moments with your family. And yeah, I wish you the best of the year. I will start 2023. Let's go. Yeah. Have some good hands, man. Top Forex G. Out. You can stop.